If you are new to trading, please watch this video before you enter buy or sell. I will teach you the fundamental tips that you need to know before you enter the market. Let me explain. Alright guys, welcome to my second video on my YouTube channel. So this video I'm just going to talk about a really fundamental type of education where in my previous video, if you watch, I've talked about the three main pillars that I'm going to share you guys. The first one is Forex introduction. Second is your strategy. Alright. Third is your psychology. Okay, these three main things are a key in order to make profit in Forex. Okay, now let's not waste time. Let's get right back into topic. Let me explain to you guys what is Forex. Basically, Forex, the word Forex, it stands for foreign exchange. All right. What is foreign exchange? Currency exchange. Okay. What does currency exchange mean? Well, basically, you trade with currency. For example, you have €1, right? €1. You invest your €1 in USD. Okay. Let's say $1 USD. All right. Maybe this is 2026. 2027, all right, you have $1 USD, right? Let's say the currency rate go up. So you have $1 USD now, and you want to exchange the $1 USD into euros, and you will get €2. See the differences? From 1, you get 2. Okay? This is Forex. I'm just showing you a small number. It's just a dot on the Forex market. Usually it's like millions or billions, like billions of dollars are pumping in every single day on this Forex market. That's how huge the market is. All right. So now you know this. Let me explain about the important stuff, shall we? Okay. Now you understand what is Forex. Let me tap into the stuff that you guys are a bit confused or what is happening, what is buy or sell. Okay. Now, if you're using your MT5 or MT4, whatever you're using, MetaTrader, you should see a option that is saying sell and buy. Okay. What is sell and buy? Well, I'm not going to tap into the actual fundamental, like so deep into it, because I don't think you guys will understand this at this point of time. So I'm just going to explain to you guys a simple rule that I figured in order to simplify your life. All right. Learn to simplify whatever things that you guys are doing. That will make you more productive and more sharper and more focused. All right. But make sure you understand the key concepts first. All right. Okay. So this is your MT5 chart. You open, you can see this. The market is running. You are in the pair that you wanted to trade. And then when you click this button here, you can see your sell button and the buy button. Or I'm using an iPad. If you're using your phone, it could be a bit different. If you're using PC, basically the more upper your device, the better options you'll get. All right. So there's sell and then there's buy. What is this? Basically, what's your job in this Forex market? Any guesses? When you open, there's a buy or sell option. What's your job? Basically, you need to predict, let's say price is set here, right here. you need to predict with your by analyzing your market with your analysis, and also with key fundamental techniques. You need to know whether the price is going to go up or the price is going to go down. All right, that's about it. That's what you need to do. There's only two directions in the market: sell or buy. It's either going to be these two, 50-50. All right, you put buy, either it's going to go up. You put sell, either it's going to go down. Right, 50-50. There's only two ways to make money. Two trends. Obviously, there's a third trend, which is sideways. I'm not going to type into this yet. That's more to technical analysis. So this is a simple thing that you guys need to know: whether buy or sell. Right. So what is sell? Sell means you're not selling stuff. Buy means you're not actually buying stuff. All right. If you go to the foreign exchange market, where the dome actually plays, the depth of market, this writes down, depth of market. If you're in here, then yeah, you might buy your own currencies and you might sell your currencies. With that concept, we are tapping into this is where retail traders trade. We don't have all those knowledge. We don't have all those tools to use in order to be a successful millionaire foreign exchange trader. We are a retail trader where we write the trend set by the banks. All right. We are basically riding the trend, which the trend is set by the banks. So we need to just follow the banks. And how do I follow the banks? I'll teach you guys in the technical analysis part. As for now, what is sell? Basically, sell means down. Down. What is buy? Buy means up. I told you just now, either you guys need to predict the price, whether it needs to go up or either it needs to go down. Correct. So let's say with your analysis, you know price is going to go down. You want to enter for a downward trend. All right. So what are you going to do with your strategy, of course, and your technical analysis, of course? You see prices here. So let's say you know after this point, price is going to dump. It's going to go down. So what do? You press sell. You press sell here. You sell here and then price will boom. Once price goes to the intended direction that you want, you will have profits. Okay? You will have profits. Now, with the opposite, at this point, you already know. This is just an example, guys. Don't just follow this, alright? I'm giving you an example. Okay? Let's say this price is going to go up. With your analysis, you have founded that after this certain point, price will tend to go up. Okay? Now, once you know this, what you're going to do, you're going to place your buy, because buy is the one indicating the price will go up. So you buy. And if price goes up, you will make profit. As simple as that. Okay? You know price is going to go up, you buy. You know price is going to go down, you sell. It's either sell or you buy. Only two ways you can make money in trading, in Forex trading. Alright? With that said, let's talk about pips. Pips is basically points. Alright? Points, as you can see here, this area right here, this is what we call as points. Okay? What does point mean? Basically, what does pip mean? Basically, you can see this move here. See this move? It starts from here. You know what? Let me take the down one. Okay. It starts from here, ends up here. Correct. This is the lowest point. This is the highest point. Ignore all this as for now. Ignore this. Alright. Let's start fresh here. Starts here, ends here. You want to know what is the distance between this upward trend, this upward move. You want to know what is the distance. Well, basically, if you look at it, it says price 4662. Correct. It started with 4512. Okay. Now, from 4512, it went up to 4662. That is the direction, that is the range that price actually went up. All right, price increased from 4512 to 4662. Now that's 150 change in the price, as you can see. Now what is pips? Okay, 4512. Okay, let's say price increase to 4513. What is the change of this? 1, right? I'm going to give you a simple. Each pair is different. We are currently focusing on gold, so I'm going to tell you the price range of gold. Okay, this is 1, correct? Okay, good. Now, for each of the move that the price make at this point here, as you can see, it increased from 2 to 1. It's 10 pips. Okay, 4512 to 4515. Okay, this is a 30 pip difference. Okay, 5 minus 2 is 3. Just add a 0, is 30. Alright, it's already 30 pips. Okay, now coming back to this, as you can see, this is already 1,500 pip move. Alright, this is already 1,500 pip move. From 4512 to 4662, sorry, 1,500 pip move. Okay, so this is the small explanation I can give you on pips, and hope you guys understand what is Forex now. I'll see you guys in another video where I'll explain more about the fundamental tips, the starting point of Forex. Alright, see you guys in another video.